In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the waiting room in Zoom. Whether you want to manage settings at the account level or for individual meetings, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and make sure your Zoom meetings flow seamlessly from the get-go. First, let's look at how to turn off the waiting room for all meetings across your account or for specific groups and users. Begin by signing in to the Zoom web portal in your browser. This step is critical, as only users with the right permissions can make these changes, so ensure you're an account admin or have the necessary access rights. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of your screen. Depending on your needs, you might head over to Account Management, then click on Account Settings if you're managing settings for all users. Alternatively, if you're dealing with a particular group, you'd go to User Management and then select Groups. For settings tailored to an individual user, choose the Settings option directly. After navigating to the right section, click on the Meeting tab. Under this tab, within the Security section, you'll find the Waiting Room Settings. To disable it, simply toggle the switch to the off position. This action will deactivate the waiting room feature. However, keep in mind that if the setting is locked by another admin, you might encounter some restrictions. In case you have administrative privileges and want to ensure no one else can modify this setting, click on the lock icon to prevent future changes by other users. Next, let's explore how to disable the waiting room for a specific scheduled meeting. This is especially helpful if you want more control over individual sessions. Log into the Zoom web portal again and navigate to the Meetings tab. Find the particular meeting you want to edit. If it's a new session you're planning, go ahead and schedule it now. Within the meeting options, be on the lookout for the Enable Waiting Room checkbox. Unchecking this option will deactivate the waiting room feature for this specific meeting, letting your participants join directly without any delay. Of course, make sure to save your changes before exiting to ensure everything is correctly set up. By following these steps, your meetings should now start more efficiently without the interruption of the waiting room. Remember, these simple adjustments can boost your Zoom experience, making it more user-friendly and less time-consuming, ensuring everyone gets connected without unnecessary holds. I hope this guide helps you streamline your Zoom meetings, allowing you to focus more on your agenda. If you found this video useful, please share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, happy Zooming!